Hello friend, I am Mayur Gondalia and you are watching School of Physics. Friends, in this video we will study about Fourier series with period 2l. Let's start. Consider function fx be a periodic function of period 2l. If we take x equal to Lt upon pi, then fx equal to f of Lt upon pi equal to ft, say equation 1. Here L upon pi is a constant, so we define a new function ft with variable t. This new function ft will be a periodic function of t with period 2 pi. Now you must have a question, why new function ft has period 2 pi? Is it true? Let's check. Here we used variable x equal to Lt upon pi, therefore t equal to pi x upon L, indicated by equation 2. If x equal to minus L, then here t equal to pi x upon L equal to pi, we put the value of x, that is minus L, so pi minus L upon L, and which is equal to minus pi. And if we take x equal to L, then t equal to pi x upon L, that is equal to pi, we put L in place of x, that is pi L upon L, and which is equal to plus pi. Hence we say that as x varies from minus L to L, the t varies from minus pi to pi. Therefore, periodic function ft may be expanded in a Fourier series on the interval minus pi to pi, and which is ft equal to like this. Now using equation 1 and 2, we can simplify this equation as fx equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x upon L plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity b n sin n pi x upon L, equation 4. Here from equation 1 we put ft equal to fx, and from equation 2 we put t equal to pi x upon L. This is the Fourier series for a periodic function with period 2l. Now equation 3 is a Fourier series of a periodic function ft with period 2 pi. Therefore, their coefficients a0 equal to an equal to bn equal to. Now we will replace ft by fx using equation 1 and dt by d of pi x upon L using equation 2. Therefore, coefficient a0 becomes a0 equal to 1 upon pi integral minus L to L fx into d pi x upon L. The pi upon x is transferred in front of integral. Therefore, the equation written is a0 equal to 1 upon pi into pi upon L integral minus L to L into fx into dx. This pi and this pi cancel with each other. Therefore, a0 equal to 1 upon L integral minus L to L fx dx. Similarly, in coefficient an, we replace ft by fx using equation 1 in nt by n pi x upon L and dt by d of pi x upon L using equation 2. And after simplification, it can be written as an equal to 1 upon L integral minus L to L fx cos n pi x upon L dx. By applying same procedure, we obtain coefficient bn as bn equal to 1 upon L integral minus L to L fx sin n pi x upon L dx. We change the variable from t to x, and hence interval also changes from minus pi to minus L. Friends, This equation is known as Fourier series with period 2L, and these three are the coefficient of the series. Friends, in next video we will study about exponential form of Fourier series with period 2 pi. Write your suggestion in comment section. Please like and share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel School of Physics. Thank you.